The more I learn, the more I realize I don't know. Einstein. The more you know you don't know. Aristotle. Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Aristotle and Einstein nailed it right on the head. So today we're going to be talking about embracing learning and embracing ignorance. What a crazy dichotomy, right? Ultimately, nobody likes a know-it-all. And fact of the matter is, nobody does know it all. So we should embrace learning. How do you embrace learning? Well, number one, you can't be defensive about making mistakes. You can't be scared to come across as ignorant. That's not bad. So number one, drop your walls. Have fun, take every single day as if it's a new challenge, a new opportunity to learn. When you get to talk to people, you actually get to find out their perspective. So much of life is actually a group of people coming together from different histories, different backgrounds with different experiences to give different takes on things. Have you ever met somebody and you're like, wow, your take on life, your perspective on things is just different and it's awesome? Find those people, search people out, and today, instead of trying to show people how much you know, try to take in how much other people know. You'd be amazed at what you're going to find out. Have an awesome day. I'll talk to you guys later. Embrace the process of living. If you're hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm going